Hello friends and family, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. So today we are making this beautiful simple wrap dress. You can see how beautiful it is on my body. So we are using 2 yards of doll face material to make this beautiful simple wrap dress. It's a beautiful dress and I would like you to also make yours after watching this tutorial to the end, guys. So please don't forget to click the subscribe button now under my video to subscribe now. You can just do that now. Just click the red button under my video to subscribe now. So please, you can also share this tutorial with your friends. Give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this video and learn from it. You can also comment. Like I said, you can share it with your friends and families. You can also ask them to also subscribe to my channel. So guys, keep on watching this tutorial to the end if you're interested to know how we are able to make this wrap dress to the end, because I really want you guys to also cut and sew your own after watching this tutorial to the end. So we have other tutorials on my channel that you can also check on my tutorial, so you can also learn how to cut and sew these other styles on your own. So bring out your materials, so let's get started now.
So this is the material that we are using to make this our wrap top that will have a puff sleeve on it. So this is the length. So my half length is 16, so that's my 16 that I'm pointing, including the sewing allowance. So that is it now. So we'll start with our neck measurement. So my neck measurement that I'm making there is 3. Remember what I'm marking there now that I want to cut is the back. I'm using the back to cut it first, so that we'll now use it to cut at the front. Just watch what I'm doing so that you can see what I'm doing there, why I use the front at the back to cut the front first. So this is it. So my depth of my neck for the back is 1.5. So that my shoulder line that I'm marking there now is 8. So that's my shoulder line. So after that, now we'll just get a straight line, and that's what I'm doing there that you can see me doing. So we have gotten our shoulder. So now to get our slope, that is the shoulder, is 1 inch that I'm marking so that you slope it. So that's what I've done then also. So this is how you also make your own while making your own. So just watch every detail that you can see me doing, and you do it and it will come out exactly. So this is our bust measurement now. So my bust measurement that I'm having there now is 36. So that's my 36, adding 1.5 inch for the sewing allowance. So that is it. So that is what I'm marking there now. So come to the waistline, that is my half length. My half length that I'm giving there is 26 also. So that is 26. It will have a dot at the back of it, but why the front I will not put dot. So that is the dot, 1 inch dot. After adding your 1 inch dot, you now have your sewing allowance. So my sewing allowance that I'm adding there is 1.5 that I'm adding. So just we have done with the marking, so we just connect it together. So that is the armhole side that you can see me doing. So you just connect it. So that is what I'm pointing at for you to see, from the bust to the half length, like the half length for the waist. You connect it together and it will be ready. That is the measurement. So that is what you can see me doing. So just watch every detail that you can see me doing there and do it on your own, and watch this video to the end, please guys. So always subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. So that is the neck that I'm cutting there now. So remember what I did here is I'm using the back first, cutting the back so that we can use it to cut the front. Remember, the front is a wrap, and it's a wrap dress that we are making. So this is the half length of it. So we'll now cut the down of it to complete our dress length that we are making. So that is the cutting from the back. So the cutting for the back is done now. So can you see how it is now? So that is how you will make your own when do your own. So after that, now we just lay the front side of it now. So that is the front side of it now. So we are using the back now to place on it. So I'm doing that so that we will not get our allowance for the wrap. So what I'm adding at the allowance for the wrap is 4 inch. So you can see why I make the back first. So can you see why? So this is how you do your own when making your own. So this is the 4 inch that I'm putting out there. So I will use my roller, my tape rule to get it. So that is it. So can you see what I'm doing there now? So that is exactly 4 inch that I added at the front to get our wrap. So this is how you also make your own when doing your own. So you just follow every detail that you can see me doing. I want you guys to do it and do it on your own and watch it to the end. So that is the neckline. Remember, my neckline that I give is 3, so that is my 3 there that I'm marking, and you will see what I want to do at the front side of it. So this is how you get your front neck. So this is what I'm doing there now. So I'm marking exactly that 3 from the back. So just for me now to curve it to get that our wrap at the front. So this is what you will do when making your own also. So I hope you are seeing everything that I'm doing there now. So this is how you also make your own. So we have done that. So what I will just do, just for me now to give it a cut. So I will use my scissors to cut it out and to get the front side of it. So this is what you also do when making your own. So I want to cut now. So that is how you cut it. So you have finished everything that I'm doing at the front and the back now. So you want to cut it now. Remember I started with it. I start with the back measurement so that we can use it to place the way you are seeing me placing it now, and to cut so that we'll get our front wrap dress. It's a wrap top dress that we are making. This is the half length of it. So we'll now cut the complete side of it to get the dress length. So this is the half length that we are making first. We are cutting. So we have done with that. So this is how it is now. So this is how you make your own. Please guys, always subscribe to my channel, please, and watch my channel to the end, and make a comment, share it to your friend, please, so that they too can learn from it and do it on their own. So I want you guys to be doing all the things that you are watching from my video, so that you will be able to do it and have that confidence. So this is it. So we are done with it. So I will also spread it out for you to see how it came out at the front side now. So this is it now. So can you see how it is now? So this is how you also do it on your own when making your own. So we'll go and use machine to finish the front side, that is to sew it like the neckline. So this is how you do. So now is the front, now that is the wrap. So what I'm doing there now, so I'm folding everything together. So can you see what I've done now? So let me open it for you to see what I'm doing. This is the length that will complete our wrap dress. So this is the actual length that I'm using. Remember, the half length is 16. So why the remaining part is 19. This one that I'm marking here now is 19, that is the length. So why I folded it like this is for me to get my wrap at the front, that is the inch for the wrap. Remember, it's 4 inch that I used to get the wrap. While the other side now is what I want to show you, that is the back side of it. That is our back measurement. So let me just put it for you to understand what I'm trying to teach or show you what to do. So this is how you also make your own. Where I folded at, you can see, is the back now. So this has entered to the back side of it. Can you see? So the remaining part now that you can see that I folded is the front, and that is what I'm pointing at for you to see that this is how it will be. So let me also spread this for you to see how it will enter the way I folded it like this. So this is the way you cut when making your wrap. Can you see what I've done there now? So this is it now. So let me use the front to show you how it will correspond to enter exactly. So can you see that it has entered from the other side to that the front side for the 4-inch wrap that I placed. So this is how it will go. So what we will do now, just for me now to curve it out, and that's what I'm using my hand to just show you. So I will use my scissors to give it that shape. So this is how you also take it to curve it so that it will have that wrap curving line. So this is what I'm doing. So I'm using chalk to do it now. So this is how you just do it, and do it everything that you are seeing. Remember to complete it, I will have 1.5 inch to complete it. It will just have a little style there. So what I'm showing you is that I want it to get that shape, that curve shape. So that is what I'm showing you, and I'm starting from the front side to curve it to the back side. And to complete the length, I'm using 1.5 inch to complete it, that we have a small planting at the downside. I will also show you when doing it. So can you see how it is now? So we have cut it, and you can see how it's curved out. So from the edge side, that is the front side, to the back side, that's curved. So this is how you make your own. Just follow everything that you can see me doing here now. So we have done with the downside of it, but to complete the length fully, we have 1.5 inch to get our planting. So now I've gone to sew it together, and this is the roll that we use to pass it a belt, so it will have a belt, and that is the belt. So this is the sleeve now that we are making. So now the length, my length is 70, the weight, the half for the armhole side is 1.5 that I use. So that is the cutting side, and it will have a puff that we use elastic to gather it. So this is how it will be. So I've gone to sew it together. That is the downside to put our elastic. So that is the elastic that I'm putting there now. So this is how you also make it, so that it will puff out. So this is how you will do your own when making your own. So the two sleeve is ready, so we'll attach it to the body now, and before you know, it will be ready. So this is the sleeve, this is the puff sleeve. We have attached it to the body, and this is how it will be.
So our simple wrap dress is ready. Very beautiful. You can see the color that we used is a gold color, and the material is doll face material, and it's 2 years material that we used in making this beautiful dress. Hope you understood what we did here today. So guys, if you don't understand it, you can watch it again so that you can learn how to cut and sew it on your own. It's a beautiful style. You can see how beautiful it is on my body, and I want you to make yours. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button now to subscribe. If you have not done that, just pause and do that now. You can share this tutorial with your friends. Give my video a thumbs up so that more people can get to see this tutorial and learn from it. So we have come to the end of this tutorial, and I would like you to keep a date with me next week Monday, so that I can also learn another beautiful style that we are going to do on Monday. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you then.